I gave Claude access to my Meta ad account and my ROAS went from 1.6 to 5.8 in 1 week. Managing my Meta ad account with AI has never been this easy. You see, I have this crazy idea. I said, what if Claude could manage my entire ad account? That means creating the campaign, creating the image, and creating the copy and upload them directly into Meta without me having to open the Meta UI and upload them manually with my hand. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to your Meta business account so Claude can manage your ad account, create your campaigns, suggest you new concept to test based on what's already working on your ad account and on your other ad account inside your business account. So you don't need to copy and paste from Claude into your ad account. You can work directly from Claude and it can manage everything into your ad account. So let's just set it up and start cooking. From your Claude UI, come to customize, and then you need to click on connectors, and then add custom connector, and then you gotta name it Facebook, and then you need to paste this URL here. Look at this exact URL on my screen, https://facebook.com/ads. So, and then click ads. So as you can see, it's prompting me, you are not connected to Facebook yet. I'm just going to click connect, and this authentication tab will open with me. Because I already connected earlier, it's just going to tell me to reconnect Claude to add MCP. So this is to choose the pages you want Claude to access. If you want to opt to all your current and your future pages, you can select that. Or you can select the pages you want to give access to Claude. So I'm going to select all the current and future and click connect. Also select your pages, your business assets, want to give Claude access. I'm going to give it all the current and future access. I'm going to hit continue and save. And voila, now we are officially connected to Meta. So before you get too hyped, you need to keep this on your mind. So choose when Claude is allowed to use all of these tools. You need to keep them all need your approval, because you don't want Claude to remove your ads or to want to give it access to the budget onto your ad account. So you don't need to give it access to the budget to increase or decrease the budget. The campaign setting, APO or CPO, all of these you need to keep in mind. And then now we want to create our ads into my ad account. So first I like to test it with this simple prompt. I just connected my Meta business account. Do you see my ad account and my business asset? If the answer was yes, now we can create our campaigns, manage our campaigns, and ask it to suggest us changes directly here. So it seemed to be connected, so it's getting the ad account. I'm just going to give it access, allow. So yeah, that's correct. I have 5 ads account. All of these are active, and one is unsettled. So I am not a fan of using Claude in your browser, so I'm going to open my VS Code. Don't worry about all of these files, all of these folders. I'm going to open Claude here as well. So Claude. If you are wondering what is this VS Code, this is just an IDE. It's just make it easier for me. It just make it easier for me to see all my files here. So all of these files I'm working on, these are the videos I'm working on, editing. All my workflows are here. My ads, all my businesses, my teams are here. So this is a normal Claude Code extension. If you want to set this up, you only need to come to this website, VS Code download. So download this into your machine and then download this as well, node.js. You need to download these both in order to use that IDE. This one, the green one. Download these, both of them, this, and then come to your VS Code account, come to extension, and then search for Claude, and make sure it's Claude for VS Code from Anthropic, and then download this extension, because I have already installed. It's telling me to uninstall, but I don't want to uninstall. Install that, and this Claude Code will open with you. So I like to work it. I like to work here like this to see all my files, all the project I'm working on, all the folders. So that way I work in VS Code. But if you don't like this, you can work on your VS Code and on your desktop or in the browser, like here. It's all same. It's all same. There's no difference at all. So now I want to create my campaign, and I want to ask it to suggest me changes on my earlier campaigns are running. This is my store demo ad account. I'm only using this for demo videos. I'm going to delete this campaign, delete it, and I'm going to give it a product to create me a campaign for it. So after the connection is set up, I'm going to ask it to create meta ad campaign with 3 ads for this product. So this is a demo product. I want to create campaign into my ad account with Claude. I'm just going to copy this link for the product. It should have access to my store by now in this URL. So I give it my ad account ID. I'm going to give it the product ID. I'm going to ask it this simple prompt. Can you create meta campaign for this product? 3 ads using Grok APIs and the meta connection. Create the campaign directly into this ad account. I gave you the link. The ID should be in the link, and use the product image as reference to create 3 static ads and upload them directly into the image. Don't do a deep research for the prospect because this is just a demo, and upload them into this ad account. Go. So I gave it that prompt. I'm going to bypass permission and hit enter. So our agent starts cooking. So if you wonder, I asked it to create images using Grok API because I already connect Grok with my Claude. So Grok needs API. So here's the Grok API. So this is my local environment file. If you don't know, Grok don't have MCP to connect it with Claude, so it needs like APIs to work together. So Claude is going to create images and then upload them into my ad account using Grok API. If you want to use other tools like Nano Banana or Hexfield, it's all same, work the same. I just find Grok is a bit cheaper. And also, if you notice in the prompt, I said don't do a deep research because I have also an agent here. Do a deep research for the product before you start to write any copy or create any creatives. The deep research goes to Meta Ad Library, go to Amazon reviews, the same product or the product solving the same problem, go to Reddit forums, gather all the information before writing a single line of copy or creating a single image. It should know what the product does and how the mechanism, the level of sophistication, the market, all of that kind of boring manual research I've completely automated in one shot. So this is not about that, but yeah. So here's a to-do list the agent created for himself. So first is going to download the product image as reference, then create 3 ad creative via Grok API, and then upload the image to Meta ad account. This is my ad account ID, and then create Meta 1 ad set, 3 ad. That's great. So one task is finished. Let's just wait. So here's everything. Agent create the campaign with 1 ad set and 3 ad inside. So let's view the campaign. So I'm going to copy this. So let's just view the campaign into our Meta ad account. This is my current Meta ad account. Let's view that. This is a campaign was created right now. So let's just view. So voila, here are exactly what we expected. 1 campaign, 1 ad set, 3 ads inside. So let's view. Whoa, this is not the product we wanted. Well, it created other images for other product. I'm going to give it this link for this product and tell it to use this product, not the diamond grid mini bag. Hey, you used the wrong product image. Can you use this product? Hey, you used the wrong product image. Can you use this product, please? So I ask it to change the product image and change the ad name as well. It's going to create. So because this is the first time I create campaign in this new ad account with him, so I have to go back and forth. But as you can see, the level of ads, the level of design, the static ad. This would have taken you like, I don't know, 3 hours to create them on Canva and then upload them manually. Look at this static ad. This should be like a top of funnel or bottom funnel, like a bottom funnel, yeah. because it's mentioned the free delivery, the brand name. Yeah, this is like good. Only one thing was wrong. Took the wrong product image. So our agent started cooking. It knows that selected the wrong product and then went and create another campaign. Let's view this campaign and see if the images actually live up to the hype like we have seen in this campaign. Let's just view this one. Voila, there is. 3 ads as we expected. Lifestyle. Look at this ad. It's great. The copy is too short, but look at this image. These are Grok image generated. The Claude prompt Grok to create this image. The text is excellent. The product, the background, good. What about the third ad? This is great. This is the best one so far, I believe. It have like this is the best so far, I believe. But all of the ad copies are a little bit short. So even added the link, all the setting. You can just check your settings here, your campaign setting, your ad set setting, and then you can launch the ad, or you can, if you cannot change the setting, you can duplicate the ads and change the setting, and yeah, there you go. What do you think of this, guys? So you can run this campaign for like 3 days, 4 days if you are testing, and then ask it to suggest your changes, to track your metrics, give you new concept to test, new ad set. With images, you can test 5 images every day because the production is so easy. With one prompt, get the API, create images, upload them without you have to manually do them. What do you think, guys?